Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm gonna give you a quick overview of this pull-up, high chair, dip, and push-up rack assembly. How long it took to put together and the kind of quality that this thing is constructed at. All right, so the total height of it is about 7 feet to kind of give you an idea of kind of the hanginess. So if you're trying to reach up and hang and not have your feet on the ground. The edges here are covered in a rubber grip. You got grip here and grip there. So you got outer and inner grip. You also have these grips here, same material, sort of a foamish type comfort, actually really soft. Soft, but not like they're gonna fall apart. Grips on both sides. Then you have this back padding here. And this back padding can be adjusted just like that. So you just twist, pull this out, this goes in and out. Just kind of give you some comfort. So when your back is against that, you're facing this way towards you. You can kind of get it exactly where you want as far as your forearms and back all set up. You also have grips down low on either side. So if you wanted to do wide grip push-ups, you could do that as well. The feet have these hard plastic corners all the way around, kind of keep this in place and keep it from moving around. The construction is I'd say it's like a combination of aluminum and steel, all powder coated, very well constructed. I mean, when it's put together, it's good to go. The setup time is roughly, I'd say about 1 hour, a solid 60 minutes with one person. Obviously, a couple people putting this thing together would make it go a lot quicker, but just want to see how long one person would take. Very nice, well constructed, and has a lot of options. So using it as a dip, you have about 32 inches or so wide, and I mean, even with a couple 100 pounds, it's definitely not going anywhere. Then from a high chair type standpoint, you can step up, lock your forearms in, kind of get comfortable, and then you can lift your legs up this way. From a push-up standpoint, you got the grips down here. So you can go really deep. Then from a hanging standpoint, you could hang this way, and then you can use the back pad and go up. Or if you wanted to pull up, you could also do the center grip. Again, with a couple 100 pounds, it's not going anywhere. You also have the option of lowering this down. So this is in the highest position. Using the example of about 6'1", and reaching up to about 7 feet. On the back side, there are handles, or knobs, I should say. And when loosened, you remove the hand screws. So these are built to take off with your hand. And these can be lowered. It looks to be about 4-inch increments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you would hold that, and then you could really lower this thing all the way down. So depending on the user's height, you have some customizable options as far as how high or how low you need it. Really, this is all the way down to roughly, I'd say about 5.5 feet in this lowest position. And then again, all the way up to probably about 7 feet in 4-inch increments. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me, said, Ryan, can you tell us first, how long does it take to put together? Like really, how long does it take to put together? What do you think about the quality, finish, and everything else about it? Hopefully, all your questions got answered, and we'll talk to you soon.